students, class 10th, chapter 1st, exercise 1.3, solution of the first question. That means prove that under root 5 is a rational number. So how can we prove that? Where let under root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime, means we have to prove the under root 5 is irrational number. So under root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime and b is not zero integer. Squaring both sides, under root 5 square equal to a by b whole square. So what will happen then? 5 equal to a square divided by b square 5 equal to a square. So b square equal to a square by 5. A square is the divisible by 5, so a is also divisible by 5. Here is in the left hand side of the board, okay, under root 5 square. So under root 5, how can we under root 5 become the square? 5. So 5 raised to the 1 by 2 under root 5 equal to whole square. 2 to 2 cancel and 5 is remained. Let a equal to 5m for the some integers, m equal to m under root 5 equal to 5m by b. Squaring both sides, under root 5 square equal to 5m square upon b. So b square equal to 5m square. 5 equal to 25m square upon b square. So b square divided by 5 equal to m square. B square 5 equal to 25m square. B square equal to 25m square. 5 to 25 cancel. B square equal to 5m square. B square is divisible by 5. So b is also a divisible by 5. So b is a rational number. Here is the, how can we assume that? So what happened that b is a rational number. Now prove that the under root 2 is irrational number. Let us assume that the under root 2 is a rational number. हम इसको irrational number प्रूव करना है तो हम इसको under root 2 को rational मान के चलेंगे. Under root 2 equal to a by b. A and b are co-prime. Co-prime means what? The number which highest factor is 1. That is called the co-prime. An irrational number is not equal to a by b. So squaring both sides, under root 2 whole square equal to a square by b square. So under root 2 square whole square equal to under root is cancelled by the square. So here remained in the next step 2 as it is in the left hand side, and right hand side a square plus b divided by b square. So 2b square equal to a square. So it will become the 2 upon a square. Okay, 2 can divided by a equal to 2c. C is a same integer. A square equal to 4c square. 2b square equal to 4. So in this way, suppose just like this here, next is rational number. That suppose means another way is to, that is the under root 2 equal to p by q for some p belongs to the z and q belongs to the n. We can assume that the fraction is in lowest term, that is p and q share no common factor. Then under 2q equal to p, 2q square equal to p square of both side. So p square is a multiple of 2. Therefore the p must be multiple of 2. Write p equal to 2m. Then 2q square equal to 2m square. 2q square equal to 4m square. Q square equal to 2m square. So q square is a multiple of 2. Therefore the q is a multiple of 2. Thus the p and q share a common factor. This is a contradiction. Thus the under root 2 is irrational. इस प्रकार के समय हम क्या करते हैं कि हम उसको रेशनल मान के चलते हैं और उसको कॉन्ट्रोडिक्टरी बताकर उसको प्रूव कर देते हैं. Now next question, let us assume that 1 by 3 minus under root 5 is rational number. Means 1 by 3 minus under root 5, prove that the 1 by 3 minus under root 5 is a rational number, irrational number. सो लेट अस एज्यूम, हम इसको ये मान के चलेंगे कि 1/3 माइनस अंडर रूट 5 इरेशनल नंबर है. सो 1/3 माइनस अंडर रूट 5 इक्वल टू a/b, वेयर a एंड b आर द इंटीजर्स है. अंडर रूट 5 इक्वल टू 1/3 माइनस a/b हो गया. सो अंडर रूट 5 equal to b minus 3a upon b 3b. Here b, a minus 3 and 3 are all rational. RHS equal to rational side, LHS equal to root 5 equal to rational. This leads to the contradiction. Hence our assumption is wrong. So 1/3 minus under root 5 is irrational number. Hence proved.